subway. The subway, I think. Maybe this way. Maybe there. Since it goes down. Or
Here. Without application, we are fucked up.
we need it.
We have our tickets here.
Yeah. Hey guys, this is Stockholm. Yeah. As you can see, how beautiful this metro station looks like. You know, this is a subway, and they are so well designed. They are so well designed. Like, you can't. This is really cool. If there is one thing about Stockholm you need to understand or know about, is the beautiful subways. They are unique subways. Yeah, unique, I must say. Beautiful. We're gonna show you guys how their Stockholm subway looks like. As you can see, beautiful trains and clean. Kind of looks like the trains in Berlin, but some slight differences. The seats are different, you know. So let's see. Here we go. In total, it took us about 5 hours from Berlin to Stockholm. 5 hours plus in total. Because we left from Berlin to Paris and from Paris to Stockholm. So let's say 6 hours, 5 to 6 hours, or 6 a.m. to 11. That's how many hours?
7 hours already now. 8 hours.
No, I mean when we landed at Stockholm, just the landing. From 6 to 11. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6 hours it took us from Berlin to Stockholm.
Nästa Gamla stan. Byte till Djurgårdsfärjan.
Which side you have to get out from? That's interesting. The green light, interesting. Green light. Are we stopping here? No.
No, next. Wow. Look at this.
This is so beautiful.
Byte till tunnelbanan mot Skarpnäck, Farsta strand och Hagsätra. Ersättningsbussar för Saltsjöbanan. Bussar mot Nacka och Värmdö samtidigt.
It actually snowed, guys, April, and it still snowed in Stockholm.
It's melting already.
Yeah, melting already. In Berlin, it's actually warm at the moment, I think. And tomorrow is gonna be really warm in Berlin. Actually, like Berlin's gonna see like 19 degrees or something. 20. Yeah, it's gonna be 20 degrees in Berlin. So Stockholm, Sweden. Imagine.
Taco bar.
Guys, this is a surprise snowfall in Stockholm because even the locals said they didn't expect snow to. They didn't expect the snow actually. So it was a surprise, a huge surprise for everyone, and to us coming to Sweden. So now we are at our hotel in Stockholm. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick tour of what the room looks like. So basically, this is the entrance, and this is another door here. So this is the bathroom, as you can see, very luxurious. You can see the shower. Oh, the rain shower actually. You can see that. Looks so clean. You can see this is really cool. You can see also the big window, it has guard. This is the bed, a little table over there. You can see a TV to the wall. You do have a window here to the right side, and you have a mirror just in front of me. As you can see, looks really good. And of course, you have this beautiful big window with a view, and you can see the snow. It actually snowed in April in Sweden, Stockholm. You can see how wide it is outside, right? Look at all the design, look at the chairs, and man, this hotel is so luxurious, and I'm gonna recommend this place. It's called Clarion Hotels. Clarion, you can see the spreading. Clarion Hotels. So if you get to Stockholm, or if you're planning a trip to Stockholm, you can try to check out Clarion Hotels, and you can actually have a good deal, you know, an affordable price for a good room like this with breakfast and dinner included, which is excellent. Yeah. So, quick one, we're gonna later on show you guys some more parts of the city after having tried a meal from the hotel. Yep. See ya soon. Hey guys, as you can see, we're at the hotel already. Clarion Hotels, so beautiful. I mean, I'm gonna recommend this hotel to anyone planning a trip to Stockholm, Sweden. I'm gonna recommend this place. Check out Clarion Hotels. Affordable rates, beautiful rooms, luxurious, breakfast, dinner, lunch. It's actually dinner included plus breakfast, buffets actually. So check it out. Snow in Sweden, Stockholm. Yeah, snow in Sweden, Stockholm in April. Yes, guys, that's what's up. Look at that. Yep, this is the view from my room, from my hotel room, of the snow in Sweden, Stockholm. As you can see, it's white. And one thing is the locals as well were surprised by the snowfall. The locals were surprised as well, and they didn't expect this, you know. And they also explained to us how the weather could easily change from being snowy to sunny in same day. So yeah, beautiful city. I love it. Those who are not aware probably of the price, you know, we paid for this room, it's 100 euros per night, you know, breakfast and dinner included. I think it's a good deal. Also, you have a sauna and you have a gym, right? You have all these things. So with 100 euros per night in Stockholm, I mean, in Sweden, 100 euros per night is a good deal. Okay, it's a good deal. Having breakfast included, having dinner included, having the gym, and having as well a sauna is a good deal, guys. It's a good deal. Talking of hotels in Europe and how people get to, or how much money people get to pay, I think this is a good deal, guys. So you can check out Clarion Hotels. You can try looking at the pictures, and why not? You could try it out. You can try it out if you decide to make a trip to Stockholm, Sweden. Breakfast, guys, at their hotel. Great hotel in Stockholm, Sweden. Beautiful breakfast, beautiful service, as you can see. Snowy Stockholm. Oh, look at that. Look at those little houses. The little houses there with the snow over there. Interesting. Well, look at these. Can you see that? This is Stockholm, guys. This is Stockholm, Sweden. This is Stockholm. And it's a snowy weekend. Today's a snowy day. Yeah, it's a snowy day. You can see from where we came from before getting down here, and you can see this goes right up to the top, and you have a tram station over there. I'm gonna zoom in for you to see at that end. Thank you for watching, guys. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stockholm Old Town. Oh, they have like beer and wine bars around here.
Maybe let's walk there. I see some colors. Jag vet inte om det här är.
Lots of restaurants around here. Freezer. Just like German also. You know?
Huh?
Freezer. Just like German. They say freezer as well. Air freezer. You know, so Swedish actually has a lot of similarities with German language.
That's true.
So in Germany, we say freezer. Hair freezer. It means like men's haircut, basically. And we see the same thing in Sweden. You know, these are actually restaurants. You can see an Italian restaurant over there. This is a bar. You know. And we are in the old town Stockholm. Old town Stockholm, guys. This is old town Stockholm. If you have been to Stockholm and this place looks familiar to you, please say hello in the comments. Wave in the comments. Say something in the comments if this place looks familiar to you. Yeah? Say something in the comments, guys, if this old town in Sweden, Stockholm, looks familiar to you. As you can see, it snowed. Yeah, it's actually a snowy time in Stockholm, Sweden, in April. Basically, April, like we are supposed to be in spring. It's supposed to get warmer. I mean, normally we are not supposed to get any snow anymore in Europe, and even in other part, and even in the USA and all that. But we do get it. So here in Sweden, we still do get it. So yeah. We discovered some moving penguins, some live penguins.